Welcome back to Edulap. Manually inserting blank rows and columns in a large dataset can be a nightmare. Today I'll show you a professional shortcut to get it done in seconds. First, let's insert alternate rows. Start by selecting your serial number or SI no column. Copy it and paste it directly below your last row of data. By doing this, we are creating a duplicate set of index numbers that Excel will use to reorder our data. Now, select your entire data range, including the extra numbers you just pasted. Head over to the Data tab at the top and click on the Sort icon. In the Sort window, make sure you sort by the SI no column from smallest to largest. When you hit OK, Excel merges the rows based on the numbers, leaving a blank row between every entry. Simply delete those extra numbers at the bottom, and you're done with rows. Now, let's do the same for columns. Insert a helper row at the top and number your columns, in this case 1 through 4. Copy those 4 numbers and paste them in the same row, starting in the very next empty column to the right. Select your entire table plus those new numbers. Go back to the Data tab and click Sort again. This time, we need to click on Options. Select Sort Left to Right and click OK. Now, change the Sort by Row to row 7, or whichever row holds your helper numbers, and click OK. As you can see, Excel has now inserted blank columns between every data column. Just delete your helper row and adjust your column widths to make it look perfect. And that's it! A quick and easy way to format your data. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Edulap for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.